Hello and welcome to the ITIL 4 Practitioner Problem Management Practice Certification Training from One World Training. The Problem Management Practice is one of the 15 practices introduced in the ITIL Foundation Certification course. The Problem Management Practice is also part of one of the three practice bundles at the moment, which is called the Monitor, Support, and Fulfill Practice Certification Bundle. There are other four practices in the same bundle, namely the Service Desk, Incident Management, Monitoring and Event Management, and Service Request Management. Our focus here will be on the Problem Management practice. We would like to acknowledge AXELOS and PeopleCert as we have used their information in preparing this courseware. About One World Training. We are a global training and consulting company having offices in the USA, UK, the Netherlands, India, Malaysia, United Arab Emirates, South Africa, and many other countries globally. We provide training in information technology, business management, project management, ISO standards, GDPR, and many other subjects for individuals or organizations. One World Training delivers courses in 5 different ways. They may be number 1, public classroom based, number 2, online or virtual from your home or work, number 3, e-learning, which is self-paced, number 4, a mix of e-learning along with support when you need, and number 5, at the user location on site for both private and government organizations. We are also authorized and endorsed by leading global professional bodies. And you can see the logos we have towards the bottom of the slide. We have not only the ITIL courses, but we also offer other PeopleCert courses such as Prince2, Project and Control Environments, Prince2 Agile. Then we have Agile Shift, the Agile Transformation course, MSP, Managing Successful Programs, MOR, Management of Risk, MOP, P for Portfolios, MOV, V for Value, P3O, Project Program, and Portfolio Office. And then we have the Service Desk Analyst and Service Desk Manager, which were from the Service Desk Institute and now through PeopleCert. Then we have the PeopleCert Scrum Basic and Advanced. And we have PeopleCert Six Sigma, Lean IT, those certifications also. We also offer the APMG certifications such as Change Management and Agile PM and Better Business Cases. Then we also offer the EXIM-based certification trainings and the PMI US-based certification trainings, etc. And also, we are also an AXELOS consulting partner or ACP for performing ITIL and P3M3 capability and maturity assessments. So P3M3 is the project program and portfolio maturity management model. You will be learning a little bit about the ITIL maturity model, also known as the capability model, that will enlighten you more about such models. About the exam, it's a 30-minute exam, so it's a rather short duration. And if you're writing the exam in a language which is different from your spoken language, you get 25% additional, which is 38 minutes total. And the system will know that based on your profile that you have filled in before going for the exam. We do have a separate video recording regarding the exam, the booking. So we have something known as the booking your exam and accessing your practice guide. So in a single recording, you will understand how we can book your exam and also access the practice guide for this exam using your exam voucher provided to you by us. And that will be available in your e-learning portal. If not, do get in touch with us anytime. We are happy to give that to you, just in case you're not able to find it. So there will be 20 questions. All the questions will be multiple choice in this short duration exam, 1 mark per question. You need to score at least 13 correct answers to pass the exam, which is 65%. And there are 3 types of questions. Most of the questions will be the typical multiple choice questions, 4 answer choices for each question. There'll also be some negative type, meaning there can be a negatively worded question. For example, which of the below options is not correct, or which of the following options does not relate to something. So that way, there is no negative marking for any of these 20 questions. And there are also some list questions, which mean of the given 4 choices, you need to pick up 2, and the combination of the 2 will give you the correct answer. And you will have just a few of those types, the negative type and the list types. Most of the questions would be the standard ones. It's a closed book exam, which is to be done at the PeopleCert exam site. And and you will have to book your exam based on the voucher that we provide you. And as I mentioned earlier, we have a separate recording explaining to you how to book your exam using that voucher, and also using the same voucher to access your practice guide. Now, the practice guide is something which is the original publication from PeopleCert based on which this courseware has been prepared. The style of the exam questions. The exams questions are at level 2 and level 3 under the Bloom's taxonomy. Level 2 is understanding type of questions. Of course, to understand, you need to remember a few things. So that's level 1. So there'll be no direct level 1 questions, but there'll be level 2 questions and some level 3 questions as well, which are application questions. That's all. There are no level 4, 5, or 6 type of questions. In fact, level 4 questions appear in only currently in one of the ITIL exams, that is the digital and IT strategy, and also in the sustainability in digital and IT, these two exams only, where you have to go through certain case studies and perform 4 assignments based on that case study. So that those are only for those 2 ITIL 4 exams and not for the others. That level 4, that is. Here you will have only level 2 and level 3 questions. This is the overall ITIL 4 certification scheme, beginning from the ITIL Foundation at the bottom and progressing upwards to the ultimate ITIL Master certificate.